Okay, Donald Trump needs a health secretary who's willing to go after the sugar companies. It's very important to take out these modern corporations that are the underlying cause for all our diseases, that are especially the diet, which is one of the most basic things that people are getting wrong. And we're not putting any focus, as far as I understand, with the government agenda. There's just no focus being put on diet and controlling the amount of sugar added to the various products that are sold in grocery stores. You know how Trump likes to read about the conspiracy theories? Well, there's probably a good chance he's come across Dr. Weston Price in his studies of indigenous people in other countries who were not exposed to the Western diet. So he should be aware that the westernized diet has been linked to a lot of different diseases that just naturally don't form for people who live more in touch with the lands. All those grocery store foods. If you in a book I read, there's 80% of the foods have sugar added, so that's a bad sign. That's a sign that a clear signal that the grocery stores are not looking out for a person's best interest in getting healthy. The grocery stores are candy stores trying to make as much money as they can, and without regulation, they take full advantage of that through addiction to these sugar extracts that are added to the food products. And it's really unfortunate that we allow this to continue. There's so many people developing health problems these days, and people want to focus on improving the medical care aspect after the fact, after the disease has set in. And that's a terrible mistake. To be more proactive, you want to go after the diet. Sure, you could blame exercise too, but the people who do not eat correctly are not getting the kind of energy and nutrients they need to help support a proper exercise regime. So there needs to be more focus on the diet and primarily the added sugar particles to these food products. It's so unfortunate that people keep letting the sugar industry off with warnings or something. It's hard to say exactly what's going on in the sugar industry. They have a strong lobby, but that needs to be broken up. They are too powerful, and people need a choice. If I want to put sugar in my peanut butter, I should be given a choice and just an option. You can sell the sugar right next to the peanut butter. Cherries? Why do cherries need sugar added? Why do blueberries need sugar added? It just doesn't make any sense for our health. Okay, it contributes to a lot of problems, and we need to put a stop to that. And it'd be very nice for Donald Trump to have somebody with more of a focus on the harmful effects of sugar.